We're spending a year in New Zealand.
And you're coming with us.
I'm Isak.
And I'm Anne.
And this is what we've been up to.
Stuff gets collected. Oh, it's such a cute one.
A lot of people died trying to climb down there. In this episode, we explored the Bay of Plenty.
Our van won't start.
And we enjoy an amazing house sit.
They've done one as well.
We made it! We discovered land!
Good morning from Matatā, and today we're going to explore some waterfalls close to Tauranga. Tomorrow we start a house sit. We went to visit them yesterday and it's such a lovely place and we're really excited for a week at their place. But today we do some exploring.
Let's go chase some waterfalls. So we're about to start walking to the falls. Apparently 236 stairs up and about 354 stairs down.
Has actually been quite newly built, this whole track, because it was closed for years and a lot of people died trying to climb down there using the old zip line or the old wire going down and some old tracks, but falling into the water and actually dying. So they really closed it down and now they built this whole thing, spent a lot of money on it. You can't get all the way down to the waterfall, but they have built all these platforms in the track, so hopefully less deaths. But yeah.
And newly built stairs. Very nice though, very easy to walk on.
So we actually keep on stopping every, 100 steps, because we meet so many people and so many nice people and just have random conversations up the stairs. So it's not hard cardio because you do more breaks than actually walking.
Yeah, some lovely
fun.
Kiwi conversations.
Yeah.
Getting lots of tips for places we've already been.
You get right down to the bottom one, you can't see the other one you can't see before.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Nice spot.
Nice to walk there.
So that was a really nice spot, and now we're off to the next waterfall. Let's go check out McLaren Waterfall. It's just a 30-minute drive from here. Welcome to McLaren Falls. They've done one as well. That's not what we expected, but it's cute.
McLaren Falls themselves are not the most overwhelming things, but just as we drove here, we drove through the McLaren Falls Park, and that was really beautiful, so we're heading back there and taking a little lunch break, I think. Well, we found a little picnic spot here in McLaren Falls Park, and we're up on a hill. It's really nice, a bit windy, but nice and sunny.
Just another super nice day out in New Zealand when you just want to go out. You have something on maps that you saved to look out, and you pass so many more nice things to see, and it's a lovely day so far. So now it's time for some lunch, and then we're going to keep driving towards Mount Maunganui, a very nice place. So we just walked up Mount Maunganui, a mix of some gravel road and some stairs, quite a lot of stairs actually, and you already get awesome views along the way. If you make it all the way up, you get rewarded with like a super nice view above town and up to the ocean. And it's a really beautiful beach, like it's very scenic, so it's really worth the stairs. And when you make it up there, you can just take like a walk around, since it's like a mountain. You have a 360 view and can see into all the directions. Yeah, it's really nice. Like if you're ever here, it's definitely worth a stop and a hike up.
After weeks of constant traveling, we were excited to arrive at our next house sit near Whakatane. We'd be spending the week at a beautiful beachside property with a friendly dog and 4 chickens.
Our awesome hosts spent the day showing us everything we need to know about the house, and even took us to a local football game. After living in the van, we were excited to enjoy the everyday conveniences of house living, like doing laundry, using a dishwasher, and baking bread in the oven.
The house featured a lush garden full of fruits and veggies, and to top it all off, we had access to kayaks to explore the bay. Let's go!
What a luxury! We're literally just leaving the place, cross the road, and go down to the harbour. Do we have a plan? Or is it...
I would say let's cross over to the mangroves. And then we'll just see where we end up, and we follow along towards that island maybe. I think we're seeing a lot of stingrays. They're like scurrying off as soon as we get close to them. It's pretty cool. It's so shallow water. Let's explore the mangrove.
It's really shallow here.
Sun is setting, a bit of a shorter paddle today. Last light hitting the hills over there right now, so gonna start heading back.
Very nice though, very nice. We made it! We discovered land! Woohoo! After 20 minutes of kayaking! Woohoo! Yeah! Welcome to a cleaning session. Wow, it's amazing how much stuff fits in this car. You only realize when you take it out. Aww, and you're the best helper of them all. You're such a good help. Stuff gets collected and it is more dirty than you think. Well, let's get this cleaned.
Look who's trying to sneak into the car.
Aw, it's such a cute one. Aw, come on, we find you a new little home.
Well, we're coming to an end of a really good week of house sitting. We've been getting a lot of things done, and we have been utilizing this house to the absolute max, I would say. We've been using the oven at least once per day, baking a lot of bread, baking oven vegetables, cakes, everything. All the stuff you miss a lot when you're in a van. And yeah, all the small stuff that you really appreciate, like having unlimited warm showers and laundry and all those things. It's been really good. We've been enjoying our new favorite fruit, which is these ones that they have so much of here. It's the feijoa. You eat it like a kiwi. Tastes a bit like a mix of bubblegum and lime, and it's so tasty.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
That's such a nice leaf you got there. Wow. Wow, what a nice leaf. Oh. Aww. So tonight the owners are coming back, and we wanted to cook them some dinner. And we need to go food shopping for that, but the car won't start. I think it's been a bit cold, and we haven't been driving that much, so the battery is probably drained, so we're gonna try to jump start it. Rudy is a bit tired.
Yeah, first time that this happens actually.
Yeah, it is. We haven't had a single breakdown, but now it won't start.
Yeah.
So.
But luckily we have some cars here and some jumping cables, so it could be worse places for that to happen. But let's just hope it's a one-time thing and it start again.
1, 2, 3.
That we don't push too much so that it starts rolling.
The dog is behind the car. Well, that didn't work, so to be continued. Fuck. Been using this cable, trying to charge our car battery overnight. Got it in there. Hopefully we'll get the car started. Rudy starts. The charging overnight option seemed to do the job. And we are on the road again.
Yes.
So we're going to Auckland to find work. And but we first need to find somewhere to stay, like a house sit or something. So we're gonna take our time. Maybe we're going towards the Coromandel area. We're not completely sure yet, but we're driving towards Auckland, and that's pretty much the plan right now.
Yes.
In the next episode, we climb fences in the dark
And have a magical sunrise at Cathedral Cove.
Catch it?
Yeah.